continuation of the thunderstorm of Monday, April 15, 2019. If we don't get anything on camera the next 2 minutes, I'm going to bed. Back to bed. The rain has stopped, but usually toward the end when the lightning moves east, it starts intensifying. Giving it 2 minutes. I don't see any activity or work. I'm bouncing. I can't believe I woke up for this. I usually like to sleep. And that green little glow, like a lantern flying in the sky, is a light. Well, that was lightning, but that light is not sunrise. This camera zooms in on good cloud glow. That's either a downdraft or lights in the nearby city, but the city is the opposite direction. And Thor is bringing on the thunder. Yep, and that would be me. I'm back. Remember me? Elisa Carter? Beauty Guru slash Thunderstorm lady? Kidding. That's interesting, that cloud. It's funny, last night when I took a walk, the clouds were glowing green and blue. Then it was the downtown Brooklyn lights, I realized. At least this video wasn't 100% bust, like most were. I could upload. At least we got some stuff on here. Sometimes I had to keep recording and get nothing. But in conclusion, at least we got something. Oh, my rabbi and I had a fight, and I was disinvited for Passover, and let me tell you, I gave it to him so good, I almost busted his eardrum and made him cry. Nobody messes with me after what I went through this winter. I will literally fuck somebody up if they mess with me, and I am not kidding. I'm a tough cookie now. I'm not easy to walk on anymore. I can be very nice and flip like Godzilla, especially on my period. And when I'm not, like a flip. Now we got activity, and now the lightning is Godzilla, so God heard me. Cover your ears if you love. Run for dear life if you're scared. And this is the second rumble we've gotten on camera. I'm waiting to hear a loud, trailing crack of thunder. The subway train, oncoming train, is 10 times freaking louder. You could never hear it under the subway in Manhattan or wherever borough. Got a minute and a half to 2 minutes, and I'm loading on YouTube. Nice, long, deep rumble. People say I'm quieter than usual. I went through more hell than the usual. Yeah. Maybe it's not a fucking bust after all. Now we're getting the thunder. Where have you been, Spider-Man? Small joke. Is that a tornado or God's dick? No, it's a goddamn tree. A tree. think we're gonna get a biggie.